The news that Southern Charm alum Kathryn Dennis was sentenced to 30 days in jail after a DUI conviction marks the latest and most significant legal consequence for the reality TV personality. The sentence brings an end to a protracted legal process stemming from her arrest in 2024. Here is a comprehensive breakdown of the incident, the conviction, and the broader context of her legal troubles. The incident and initial arrest. Kathryn Dennis, 34, was initially arrested in May 2024 in her home state of South Carolina on suspicion of driving under the influence. Date and location. The arrest occurred on Monday, May 20, 2024, just after 10 p.m., in the Goose Creek area of Berkeley County, South Carolina. The circumstances. The traffic stop was prompted by Dennis's alleged involvement in a three-vehicle collision near the intersection of U.S. Highway 52 and Stephanie Drive. The police report indicated that her vehicle was involved in a crash, believed to be a rear-ending incident at a stoplight. Police observations and charges. According to the Goose Creek Police Department, GCPD, report, officers noted she had glossy eyes and an odor of alcohol coming from her person. She was asked to perform a field sobriety test. She was subsequently charged with driving under the influence, DUI, and transporting an open container of alcohol in a motor vehicle. Initial detention and release. She was booked at the Berkeley County Detention Center and was later released on a personal recognizance bond of approximately $257.50. The conviction and sentencing. The legal process for the charges culminated over a year later with a conviction and an immediate jail sentence. Conviction. Kathryn Dennis was formally convicted of the DUI charge in South Carolina. Sentence imposed. She was sentenced to 30 days in jail as a consequence of the conviction. Commencement of sentence. According to public records from the Berkeley County Sheriff's Office, BSCO, Dennis was booked into custody on Friday, October 3, 2025, to begin serving her month-long sentence. Reaction and response to the arrest. Following the initial arrest, Dennis's reaction captured on dashcam footage became a subject of public scrutiny. Dashcam footage video from the arrest, later obtained by media outlets, showed Dennis becoming highly emotional and distraught upon being taken into custody. She was reportedly heard complaining about being arrested following a horrible car accident and questioning the arrest, suggesting her celebrity status made it a thing. Apology. She did regain composure during the arrest and was seen apologizing to the officers for her initial verbal outbursts, stating, "I just want to say I'm sorry for any way I acted toward you, because it wasn't in any way personal. I'm just upset because I know what this means for me." Social media post. Days after her arrest in May 2024, Dennis briefly returned to social media to share a reposted message about appreciating life and not taking things for granted. "You can literally be here today and gone tomorrow. Be grateful, be humble, be appreciative, be kind, be loving." Context of prior legal and custody issues. The DUI conviction is the latest in a series of highly publicized legal and personal challenges for the former Bravo star, which may have influenced the severity of the sentence. Custody battles. Dennis has been in an ongoing, complex, and high-profile custody battle with her ex and former Southern Charm co-star, Thomas Ravenel, over their two children, daughter Kenzie and son Saint. Prior substance abuse. In 2016, a previous failed drug test for marijuana led to her temporarily losing custody of her children and entering rehab. Ravenel was granted full custody at that time. Hit-and-run incident. Just months before the DUI arrest, a vehicle registered in Dennis's name was involved in an alleged hit-and-run incident in October 2023. The vehicle struck a school resource officer who was directing traffic outside an elementary school. The vehicle did not stop, but was later located at her residence. While the driver was never officially confirmed by the South Carolina Highway Patrol, a source told media outlets that Dennis was involved. Reality TV departure. Dennis confirmed her departure from Southern Charm after 8 seasons in January 2023, stepping away from the show that chronicled much of her personal turmoil.